Most people think AI is just one thing, a chatbot, a tool, a trend. But AI is moving through stages, and each one makes it more powerful than the last. What we call AI today is only the beginning, and the final stage is where this stops being impressive and starts being dangerous. Stage 1 is large language models. This is the version most people know now. These systems can write, explain, summarize, translate, and generate ideas in seconds. They feel smart because they handle language so well, but they still depend on prompts. They can respond, but they don't act on their own. Stage 2 is agentic AI. This is where AI stops feeling like a tool and starts feeling like an assistant with initiative. Instead of giving one answer and waiting, it can take a goal, break it into steps, use tools, make decisions, and keep going. That's when AI starts moving from response to action. Stage 3 is multi-agent systems. Now imagine it's not one AI, but several working together. One researches, one writes, one checks for errors, one executes. Together, they become more powerful than any single model. At that point, AI stops feeling like software and starts feeling like a team. If you're into AI breakdowns like this, subscribe now, because the next 2 stages are where things get serious. Stage 4 is Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. This is the point where AI would no longer be limited to narrow tasks. It could learn, adapt, reason, and solve problems across many areas the way a human can. Not just one skill, broad intelligence. That's the stage people believe could change work, science, business, and everyday life completely. Stage 5 is Superintelligence. This is where AI goes beyond human intelligence altogether. Faster thinking, better problem solving, deeper strategy. At that point, the real question is no longer whether AI is useful. It's whether humans can still stay in control of systems more intelligent than themselves. So that's the path. First, AI learn to talk, then act, then work together, then maybe think like us, and after that, outperform us. Which stage do you think changes the world the most? Comment below. This is Newell Tech Files. Subscribe for more.